Welcome to Baan Kaset, the place for happiness, where you can have life in harmony with nature and learn to be self-reliant. Today, I come for plate Gara food because I need to come for checking some food. If already for can take it, maybe we can have some production because I have order. I give customer. I take the time about 2 weeks later, but I'm not sure if I can have again fruit. He come for check today for sure. Yes, maybe about okay maximum 2 weeks I can got it. But okay, since in last video I say I have some problem sunburn. But it's okay, you can eat, but maybe it's not beautiful for looking at. But in the taste, I think it's okay. The food here is very good, I think. Since in last year, we begin get production here 2 years before. We got in 2 years before wait. And lion. And now I have common for 5 kilo. I'm not sure if I can have for 5 kilo. Maybe it's okay. The customer not difficult. Them understand my word. Them just know, okay, if you want to eat some fruit from tea garden from Baan Kaset, you need come on before. When is the production come, she confirm already and go and send by post or go give at them. Okay, today I walking for check on. I think maybe it's correct. We can have 5 kilo already, but it's not now. It's not now. It's waiting about 2 weeks, 2 weeks maximum. But I'm not sure. I'm not too good for farmer because we just begin do. I need learn again for looking how to put, how to grow up, how to put fruit, how to make more production. This one maybe not have more water. It's difficult for give fruit and in yellow leaf. This plate is not very big, but I include about one line can have flower fruit, coconut, and pineapple. Pineapple is the all for 17 month or 18 month, or you can have some fruit come. It's a long time, between 2 years. I think no 1 year half. But for coconut, you need waiting about minimum 3 years. But we can have production good in 4 years, I think so. But for guava fruit, she give fruit give your production about 7 or 8 months later. I at next video I show you for what going on about 7 months or 8 months how they give food because I have one plate. I just begin in June last year. I begin got it. I put for safe like this. I put for safe like it on the food. I stay about 4 or 5 fruit on the tree. Okay, I think it's okay for my job today. I need come back home. Maybe it's okay for 2 weeks later. I can confirm my customer for say, okay, we can have 5 kilo for them. Okay, for this clip. See you again next time. Good morning. Welcome to Baan Kaset, space of happiness, where you can have life in harmony with nature and learn to be self-reliant. Today in the morning, we begin put little onion in one video before, but don't forget it. Every morning, we need comfort, put water. Every morning, every morning, every morning, we need comfort, put water. Then like that, but you cannot put very very more weight in this because we put seed. This way we put seed, little seed from some vegetable inside too. It's not just little onion. You need to do this every morning until them wake up. But after wake up too, maybe sometimes you can see some farmer, young smart farmer, or I don't know what is called the name. They need have a good system in for automatic put water. But yes, we need to do like that too. But for this home, for this house, for vegetable, me I learn. I just begin do. I move some vegetable here for go another for take this plate for put vegetable in hot season. The reason we no have some system water here. We need work with hand manual like this. I put some onion and I put some vegetable inside same plate. But we need waiting for see when them grow up. I'm not sure if everyone grow up. The first time for me for do like that. But we need to try. We need try for do better. We need try for do good. We need look what happened. I'm not farmer. I'm not professional, but I want to learn for help myself. Is why we come here. We begin from the zero. Everybody know it's vegetable. Everybody know it's the animal, but difficult for do sometimes. I don't know for everybody, for professional, for people know this way. It's easy for them. But for me, in my life, I work accounting. I'm not the true farmer. Uh, we come here for okay. We want to do the life for we the world for we. We need learn for do. The reason I want everyone look we watching this video for learn together with we for do the life together with we, and I hope this video can help everyone want begin do this life. But be happy for do, be happy for learn, and be happy when we have some production come. This one we waiting after we have vegetable food from we for life at we and it's small we put on the market. Okay, in next video I come for show you what we have production for now for give people for go sale on the market. Today I need to work full.
Think now the time for cooking. We go try some vegetable in garden for cooking. At this one, I go take a galangal in my garden. Let's go. Some many vegetables stay different place. Okay, before we finish for take galangal. After we need go take some in clean home house for vegetable. We go get a mint leaf in here. We get just the leaf for put a little bit in my food cooking for lunch today. After another, he have a spring onion leaf. Get some here, just little bit. Okay, today I want to do fish tom yum. It's my cooking. Fish tom yum. At me. We begin with put water. After I go buy some curry for put in water. And we need put mushroom. Cook just for 3 people. And this one tomato from garden last time, but now we take it out. Yes, and we need to cut little bit galangal for put in soup. This one lemongrass. I forget Thai picture when I go take it in my garden. It's a lemongrass. I don't know if it's I speak correct in English, but Thai call ตะไคร้ And after we put all in water before, we can take leaf for mint leaf. Mint. Someone put this one in soup. Someone don't put it, but I like this smell. We put after when the soup is finished. We cut the spring onion leaf for little piece for put in soup later too. When it's finished soup, same mint leaf. In Thai we say for today, what I cook inside them say tom yum, but tom yum you can cook, you can make it with curry, fish, pork, chicken, everything you can. But today I put fish. Now we're going to put tomato in soup. Need long time a little bit for them cook. We need begin put some that's what I show is a seasoning and chili paste from brand อร่อยดี I like this brand. And after we have meal, we need to put meal in water before for it hot before. Okay. After we close, we need to wait a little bit for water is hot. After we begin put many curry for curry, many what in English say curry paste in water for soup. Okay, and this one forget say it fish salt. Thai say น้ำปลา We need to put fish sauce a little bit in. Need to check water, waiting for very hot. Like this is the water hot. After we take fish, put in soup. Sorry for everyone if my video not too good. I just begin make it. I learn to do. Okay, we learn to do together. Me, I don't know more for this, but it's cook. Thai cook at me. Thai cook at tea. Okay, after soup, after put fish in soup, we need waiting again a little bit. Then soup begin hot. We take many vegetable and mushroom after. Begin put some many mushroom in soup. Must to close it and wait, and so very hot like this. Now begin finish the last time. We put little spring onion leaf and mint leaf on, and we need cut electric close a little bit and waiting. Okay, now the soup at we is finished. Put some leaf from mint and spring onion on top like this. It's finished my fish tom yum at tea from Baan Kaset. And now is the time for eat. Need to call, say Lolo come for eat. Lolo speak something, but this video I do something wrong. It's no have song. Michite no come because him work in the morning, and after him so tired, him eat before about 10 o'clock or something like that. Today have just me, T and Lolo eat together. Please understand, it's normal life. We know look good wear or we do is the real life as we. And please understand, my English is not very good. I just can speak a little bit, it's not more. I hope people can understand what I say. And for this video, I think we need to say bye bye. See you again next video.